Yesterday night we have soaked rajma in water. Garlic, onion, potato, tomato, ginger. Now put the rajma into the cooker. Salt as much you like. Turmeric powder and water. Now close it. 4 to 5 whistles means the rajma is boiled. Now the rajmas are boiled. Mustard oil. Onion. When the onion will be slight brown, then add the potatoes. Mix it. Tomatoes. When the tomatoes will be fried, then add ginger paste, garlic paste, salt as per your taste. Turmeric powder, red chilli powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, Kashmiri mirch powder, Now add the boiled rajma. Mix it well. Now add hot water. Rajma masala, which is the most important masala in this recipe. Now leave it in low steam so that the potato can get boiled. Now it is ready to eat. The combination of rajma and rice is the best. Try this recipe and don't forget to comment that how was it. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Next video is coming soon. আপনারা অতি অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করবেন, আপনাদের কমেন্টের আশায় থাকলাম। আর হ্যাঁ, অতি অবশ্যই কিন্তু চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন যাতে আপনারা আমাদের নতুন ভিডিও মিস না করেন, কারণ এর থেকেও আরও ভালো ভিডিও আসতে চলেছে।